Hey guys, welcome back to my tutorial. I am Manas watching a tech and coding channel, My Code Works. So guys, in this video we are going to see how to install SOAP UI on Windows. So let's get started, and I will just wanted to show you the SOAP UI is an open source tool for API testing, SOAP and REST. It comes in two versions like SOAP UI open source as well as SOAP UI Pro. So SOAP UI open source is free, and so that we can install, and the Pro version is something we have to pay. It's a paid version. Now let's go step by step and how to install SOAP open source on Windows. So the prerequisite for this one is we need to install Windows 10 or 11, and at least 4 GB of RAM, and Java should be there in your system. Now let's directly visit the SOAP UI official site. Download, and then let's download this SOAP UI on Windows. It's open source. Let's click on this open source, and let's click on this here, and it will download SOAP UI in our system. If we check here, it will take around 10 seconds. So till that, if you subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon for more updates. So let's run this executable file here directly, and it will open this executable file, and I'll just close this one. Sure. Now click on next, 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 next. So let's wait for installation. Now I don't want to use this release notes, and click on finish. It will open this SOAP UI, and we'll try to create a REST API project here. I just want to skip this. Now it's SOAP UI is installed in our system. We can explore the endpoint explorer, and we can create an empty test project also, and we can just simply give the URL of that project, and we can simply give OK, and it will create a REST project where we can add endpoints to test a particular API endpoint. So thanks for watching this video guys, and if you have any doubt, please let me know in comment section. I will try to help you out, and this is for all for today video. We'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.